Hi. Hi, we are the KubeCon 2025 in London, and we want to know what are the news about the onshore ecosystem for this year. Yeah.
Okay. We have a lot of things new on Rancher. For us, it's all about heterogeneity, right? All about distributed cloud. We really want to help you to run your workloads wherever it makes most sense. It's all about security. It's all about open source trusted supply chain. This is why we have now application connection. It's all about developers, right? It's all about helping them to bring their workloads from development as quickly as possible into production. This is why we are leveraging our tools like Rancher Desktop, Fleet, and application collection, and offer you now validated developer designs. And finally, the modernization goes on, right? So we see an incredible appetite to take this opportunity and move to technologies like SUSE virtualization, right, Harvester, and modernize at the speed that you need as a user.
Okay. And what about AI implementation, maybe with workflows and model? Do you prepare something to help data scientists to deploy on Kubernetes with onshore?
Yes, so AI is... We have already a lot of users and customers who run their data science platform on top of Rancher, right? And you can see this Arcade 2 is officially supported by NVIDIA.
Okay.
We are investing heavily into SUSE AI, which you might have seen, which is basically a specialized adapted version of our cloud native portfolio to run AI workloads, right? And it gives you observability into the AI, into the LLM models. What is my token consumption? It expands it into LLM security, right? Make security around your inference models. And finally, provide you a catalog of important AI apps from Olama to Kubeflow out of the trusted supply chain.
Okay. And my last question, maybe it's about Kubernetes at the edge. Do you have some news, some new products, maybe elemental or things like that to create Kubernetes clusters in air gap mode and at the edge?
Good question. So with Kubernetes on the edge, it's really part of our DNA. We are heavily invested in K3S, which has become the gold standard for Kubernetes in such environments. We run it on trains, we run it on airplanes in production, right? We run it already everywhere. We extended the life cycle that we support to 5 years.
Okay.
So that if you deploy it, for example, onto a train or an airplane, you have the confidence that you have a really long life cycle to work with it. And we are as well investing into the next evolution of Elemental to make air gap and home deployment even better.
Okay, great. Thank you. Perfect.
Thank you.
See you.